Who wouldn't want to try a natural drink that supports plenty of blood flow to the penis and in turn keep a rock-hard erection instead of using the blue pills all the time? It sounds like you're interested in how cocoa, particularly flavanol-rich cocoa, can impact blood flow and potentially serve as a natural alternative to Viagra. Please watch this video to the end if you have come this far for best answers to your inquiry. Here's a breakdown of the key points. The simple singular question now is, could flavanol-rich cocoa replace Viagra? While cocoa contains compounds that improve circulation and may support erectile function, it's not a direct replacement for Viagra. However, regular consumption of high flavanol cocoa may enhance nitric oxide production, leading to better blood vessel dilation and improved blood flow, both crucial for strong erections. Here's how flavanol-rich cocoa improves blood flow. Flavanols, found abundantly in raw cacao and dark chocolate, boost the production of nitric oxide, NO, in the body. NO relaxes blood vessels, improving circulation and allowing for better oxygen and nutrient delivery throughout the body, including to the penis. Research-proven cocoa and nitric oxide production for erections facts. Viagra works by increasing nitric oxide availability, which relaxes blood vessels in the penis and allows for better erections. Cocoa does something similar, albeit naturally, by stimulating endothelial function and increasing nitric oxide levels. Over time, consuming flavanol-rich cocoa may improve overall vascular health, which is key for erectile function. Step-by-step flavanol-rich cocoa or liquid black recipe. One effective way to incorporate high flavanol cocoa into your routine is through a liquid black drink. Here's a simple recipe. Here are the ingredients for maximum results. 1 tablespoon raw cacao powder, unsweetened, high flavanol, 1 cup hot water or almond milk, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, boosts circulation, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper, enhances blood flow, 1 teaspoon raw honey. Optional, for taste. Instructions. Heat the water or milk until warm, not boiling. Stir in cacao powder, mixing thoroughly. Add cinnamon and cayenne pepper. Sweeten with raw honey if desired. Drink daily for optimal benefits. Here's cocoa's role in vascular health to individuals who drink it daily. Beyond erectile function, cocoa contributes to overall cardiovascular health by lowering blood pressure, reducing inflammation, enhancing arterial flexibility, supporting healthy cholesterol levels. My final takeaway of this video is, if you're looking for a natural way to enhance circulation and support erectile function, flavanol-rich cocoa is a great addition to your diet. While it won't work as instantly as Viagra, regular consumption may lead to long-term improvements in vascular health and performance. Would you like more details on dosage or other nitric oxide boosting foods? Leave your thoughts on the comment section, as we may have other ideas in subsequent editions. Thanks for watching.